Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Steven Aldacco. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can explore the island of Hawaii for under $500 by using an app called Outdoorsy. Outdoorsy is an app where you can rent other people's RVs, and we rented this super sweet, awesome EuroVan. So we're going to be doing some van life here on the island of Hawaii. We'll show you all the adventures and cool things that we saw. We'll show you the process of how we picked up the van and how we dropped off the van and everything in between. And if you enjoy van life and hiking content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get into the video. So first, let's check out the van that we got. All right, so let's give you a quick and a dirty tour of our van that we rented from Outdoorsy. It's a really cool Volkswagen camper van, and it's decked out. It's super nice. Let's check it out. So we got the little seating area. We got the Goal Yeti for some power. Looks like it's powering these little lights for the van. We got everything we need. Little cabinets in here. Really nice setup. These little fold down curtains for when it's nighttime. It's really beautiful. Oh, wow. Super nice. It's like a little pull-out table. Beautiful. Ooh, fan. We're definitely gonna need that tonight. That's so nice. It's like a little fold-out kitchen. See how the bed works. Hope you just slide it out. I don't know. Wow.
Ooh, easy.
So cool. Boom. And then you just fold these out.
Oh, so easy.
Yeah. And just lay the other side flat. I won't do that part, but pretty simple. He gave us 2 jugs of water, super important. And there's even a little ice chest.
Oh, awesome.
So you can keep everything nice and cold. They thought of everything. Nice job. All right, so this is the reality of van life, is we're trying to find a place to park.
We found some nice bathrooms at this restaurant.
Are they nice?
Yeah, it's a single person bathroom. It's your own bathroom.
Ooh, shout out to this restaurant. We'll find a spot for sure, but so far it hasn't been super easy. And that's the reality of van life. So while it's not technically legal to sleep inside of your van, I've been doing van life for quite a few years now. If there's ever an issue with you sleeping somewhere, someone will knock on the door and then they'll ask you to leave. That's mostly what happens. There are signs in Oahu that say if you are caught camping without a permit in certain locations, specifically like camping sites, that you could get a $500 fine or imprisonment. So we avoided those areas for sure, and we just found a nice quiet neighborhood near the beach to park, and it wasn't an issue at all. So my suggestion to you, if you're looking for somewhere to park, I would download an app called iOverlander, and that gives you an idea of other people who have posted places to park. And then also what I would do is during the day, go and scope out areas just like residential neighborhoods and things like that, and look for areas where you could potentially park your van, and maybe pick 1 or 2 places so you have options just in case option 1 fails. So here's the view at night. Chelsea's enjoying a nice book. Or she's pretending.
No, I am not. I'm reading.
Alright, we had maybe not the most luxurious spots. Just kind of like random street parking, but really nice hills behind us. And now we're gonna go and get some coffee and start the day. Dim sum. All that dim sum.
You're silly.
Babe, can you take the top one off from here for a second? Yeah. Ooh. One's steamed and one's not, I think.
Yum.
Drink it, baby.
Watermelon, mint, mojito. Is that what it is?
How is it?
It's so yummy. It's all fresh squeezed juice.
Yummy. It's a gourmet farmer's market breakfast inside of the van. What'd you get, baby?
Shrimp musubi.
Oh, I forget the name of these like dim sum things, but I know I've had them before and they're super good, so I'm excited. Don't make fun of me, Chinese followers. I apologize.
Good?
How much does a polar bear weigh, babe?
I don't know, a 10?
Enough to break the ice? Pretty much zero time inside of the van. We've been outside at the beach all day long, and I think that's one thing that people forget about van life. It's not about the van, right? It's about getting out and doing things and adventuring. But we are super happy to have this like little bit of downtime before we meet up with our friends at this park. So we're back in Honolulu side, and we're right by this beautiful like little lake thing. We're gonna chill out, enjoy the van, and like recharge our energy before we meet up with our friends for some pizza and stuff. So here's the new park spot. We've got a new change of scenery. Really beautiful out here. All right, so after a long, fun day at the beach and at the park, it's time for bed.
Yeah.
Unlike the first night, we actually know exactly where we're gonna go park, and that takes a lot of the stress out. So we scouted a location. We're gonna head to that location now. Unfortunately, it's a little far away. We're kind of in the city right now in Waikiki. So we're gonna go out of the city a little bit to our little secret spot that we found, and we're gonna enjoy a good night's rest.
Good night, YouTube.
All right, see y'all in the morning. We're about to hit the water and get into snorkeling early in the morning. One thing that's really cool about this van is we have a little bit of space in the back that we can fit our boy Colin. Are you ready? Ready to get in the ocean, baby?
Yep. Got my Reef Friendly sunscreen. Wearing our protective gear so we don't have to wear as much sunscreen in the ocean.
That's right. Save the oceans, baby. But it's beautiful. Look at these clouds.
Oh, thank you, babe.
Yes, you are. One wave to get past, or a couple waves to get to the actual snorkel spot. If you can't tell, there's like these bigger waves coming in. But as soon as we get past those waves, we'll be good to go. We just saw like a pod of dolphins. It was insane. We were so close to it. Colin, how you doing?
Chilling, man. Yeah, the dolphins are amazing. Can't believe how close they came.
The water's so clear. Let's take a look. The van's a mess, but we're having a great time. That was super epic, and I think we've worked up an appetite. So let's grab some delicious Hawaiian food. Boom. Instead of food, we're gonna get a little bit of coffee first. And we're here at this beautiful coffee farm here in Oahu. So we're gonna explore the farm a little bit. We're gonna get some coffee, and hopefully they have a little bit of food for us to eat. I ordered. Let's give it a try. It's kind of milky. All right, and let's try the Green World, the house blend. I like this one a lot.
Okay, try the Hawaiian coffee cake.
Okay, let's see.
That's my favorite.
No, it's not so bad.
It's a little lighter.
All right, let me try yours, okay?
I got a iced mocha latte. It's like a dessert.
That's the winner.
It's so good, huh?
It's so good. All right, this farm is pretty sweet. I'm changing my mind on the coffee. It's actually turning out to be pretty good. So now we're on our way to drop off the old girl. We had so much fun and we saved so much money by renting this van. So I'm super excited to drop it off to the owner. Hopefully he's there and maybe we can get a chance to talk to him about this build because it's absolutely beautiful. So let's drop off the van. There we go, 30 bucks, 7 gallons. All right, this is Cole. He is the mastermind behind the van. Thank you so much, everybody, and thank you, Cole, for letting us borrow your van. It was just like a super awesome trip. And if you want to check it out, we'll give you more details. Just click the link down below. But otherwise, you guys take care, and we'll see you in the next one. All right, we're back on the mainland, and we're gonna talk real quick about the pickup and drop-off process with Outdoorsy. It's super simple. First, you select the area that you want to go. We picked Oahu, and then it's going to give you a list of vans, and you can search through the vans and see what you like. We wanted something stealthy, so we picked Cole's van. After we picked Cole's van, he sent us a message right away and letting us know that the van was going to be ready for us when we arrived. Once we arrived in Honolulu, we took an Uber over to Cole's house, and Cole wasn't there. He had a lockbox where we were able to get the key from him. Once we picked up the key, we were able to get into the van and take off. Super simple, just like that. As far as dropping it off, it was very similar. We just went on the app, we clicked drop off, it gave us directions straight to Cole's house. We filled up the tank with gas. He's a super awesome guy and it was a super awesome van. So if you want to rent this specific van, check the link down below in the description and you can rent the van from him. And as you can see, we booked the van for 3 full days and that cost us $474. Which is not a bad price when you consider that's a place to stay and a car to use while we're on our vacation. All right, everybody. Well, thank you so much for joining us in today's video. Make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Mahalo.